I saved this bird today. It was swimming in the water. I was in my room. I was coming to my room from my nephew's room in the garage. And I heard the birds, they were being really loud. I'm like, why? Why are they being so loud? So I walked into my room, and there it was, just skimming across the water the best it could without drowning. And I went over to it with my hand, and I grabbed it out. That was so amazing, because the bird didn't even try to bite me or nothing. It was just so happy to be out of the water, and I let me hold it for a few seconds. It didn't try to get away, and I slowly moved my hand over to the ledge, and it jumped off.